see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
So we chilling like this, eh? Can I have some? Can I have some? Is it? Let's say I mean. After me, they do for me hard working for this pitney. I look at. Give me some. Give me some. Me say give me some. She like that me talk like patois. Give me some. Come here. Come here. Have some? Have some?
Yeah.
Can I have some? Stop. Now I get mean. You're mean. You're mean. Yo, one thing I can tell you, yo, Nyla can near me now, my you. Like big man levers. Watch him. Watch him. Yeah, shall I do? Yeah, shall I? Huh? Are you a sheller? Are you a sheller? You're right now, me there and I winter like, and then it plays upon lockdown again like, bro. Me usually me there Jamaica in a December time. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
You wanna go to Jamaica?
Mm.
You wanna go to Jamaica?
No.
No?
Okay.
You wanna go to Jamaica?
No.
You wanna see grandma?
No, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? You wanna go Jamaica and go to the beach?
No.
No?
Other.
But yo, trust me, like
Other.
I know you wanna give me some of the any of move right in front of me. Ooh, take it out. Out. All done. You want more?
Yeah. Order.
Huh?
Yeah.
All done. Say all done.
Order.
All done.
I like pips.
Huh?
Pips.
What do you want?
Pips.
Yo, now let's say chips are the cutest. What do you want?
Pips.
What do you want? Pips. Sometimes I wonder if I listen, like she hear me they talk about trades and pips and this, and they like when she want chips, say she want pips. Yeah. Okay. Where's let me see if she can go continue follow. Correct. You are pips?
Yeah.
Okay. All done. Done. I'm done. I'll get you what you want, man. You You are pips?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pick it up.
Yeah, pips.
You want pips?
Yeah, pips.
Yeah. I talk to Polly one night.
Order.
Oops. I talk to Polly one night and only for this one I show you the side. I for them a look. Soft.
Hello. See.
Wait. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna use this. So, may I chat to Polly what day, yo? And she a show me a little thing on me and say, yo, like, when a big man never is if I know, like, me can tell us I know myself. And Polly the bill. So, like, anything with Polly the bill and the bottom of it full out. Well, with the bottom something. Come. Yo, so may I tell you and say, Polly, anytime Polly I build like nowhere on the bottom of the place I go full out. Like what Polly that do is Polly that walk. Like if she got a road, go buy nothing and they come in, and like she will just start pick up stone from all about, or just walk go next door and see stone and just pick up stone and start pack out in place, and in no time a place pack and pack need like some like, you know man, what the stone wall. It's when Polly packing stone him pack like a place set nice. So by the time you start throw concrete, you not even want to wholly pack concrete, because the concrete where they pour just a filling of some liquor space and you don't know what time it full up. But what me I try to say is Polly never they worry, like I say, people in the car all around this and that we come help him full up in place. Even when it deep, like all around 6, 7, 8 foot place when you pack up with stone also. Nobody Polly now, cause Polly just walk morning, evening, and just pack a little stone in and get him pack. You have some little bucket or something, you just pack up with stone and come deal with it. But I talk to her and she show me say she fix up her place, and me see over a corner pack up. And I say, what Polly have grown and pick up all kind of stone and come pack. Polly I say, why Ziggy you done waiting already? You know? Ooh, look at that. Look at. Yummy.
Okay, good.
You gonna eat more? Look at that, look at that. Ooh. you blowing kiss? Blow kiss. Mwah. Okay, eat. The one thing with Nyla, so right now, and then when Nyla sick, make her know, because you know go eat. Yeah, so as I say, to me just a thing that come like AIDS, but me not really put in an AIDS bracket. But the reason why I say this is because when down hear about flu and them say them thing they can, like certain virus or whatever can survive in a certain temperature, right, or whatever. And when you look on what they go on, you know, and look on this what go on, this cold thing what go on, it kind of make you think, it make you wonder, it make your mind go like all over, like it start move, like your brain start click, you know, because when you look into it and you say yo, like they must say yo, it's a virus or a flu thing like whatever, and they must say like it's simplest feeling you have and go to doctor then go till you say you have COVID. It's simplest cough you cough then go till you say you have COVID, right? And normally a flu or them thing they can't survive in a certain heat or cold. If it's too cold it can't survive. If it's too hot, some of them can't survive. Flu, right? But this, what the go on can survive in a both hot and cold. Like when you look into get off, man. Oh, come on. I just cleaned. I just did the room, bro. I just changed the sheet. And look. This girl, man. Come wipe him out. Anytime in here and clean up, Nyla just start. And he determined if I tell him no, Cho. Me dash him when I'm a cho. But yeah, it's bro. But I can't. No, you have a new strain or whatever, and then there's one next new strain that come out and next place again like. What go on? Really I go on. Like it just make you wonder like where really I come to. You know? From me know myself, I first me there have people just dead, so like people just dead, so thousands of people they dead in a one day, 300 odd people are dead in a one day. It just make you wonder like, what really are going on in other world? Like, we really safe or what? You see me? And me know enough people not take things serious and so, but it's like, it's hard, and me not think it's hard for people escape all of what they happen on a big man levels, because with over here so I try show mama levels what they have in time with they and we are reason about this whole thing, and I say mama, you know, say when you go all a gas station, enough people now penny say the gas pump and this, they have to literally use the gas pump and clean your hand before you even touch back your car. And I know enough people go use gas pump and then touch back your car right at your car angle right away and go in the car, then steering the inside part, all of that. Right, they say you cross contaminate up from gas pump handle to fuel car handle, all of them. We use tap on we car like credit card, all of them. Most machine where you go use or you go someplace go buy something. Enough people love put on the card on the machine. Right there, and then me can have COVID and me and contaminate with all of this, you know. And me take out my card and touch it down on the machine. Basically, me just pass everything on that the machine right away, you know, because me and me already have that pan and me go touch my card on the machine, and you come and touch for your card on the machine same way again. What you think happen?
Top boy can't chat.
You come in and say, wow, go on drunk.
Hey, Jankro, what is going on?
This because big man drunk up on camera.
Listen to Nyla.
I know. Nyla jealous.
What's up? Watch it. My dada.
Huh?
My dada.
Watch. No. But yeah.
Where's my chocolate?
No? Oh. You know, so maybe I look at this, even on the work site, them what we did, like the bathroom, them what they have, if you use, like, you have to really wonder, like, if them people are really care about we, or, well, for me know they don't care about we, they just want their work done, and that's all they care about, you see me? Because you even, just with what happened to me, with the pan side, I think go down and nobody, like if people them not try to lock down his side, if he take care of his side, if make sure say everybody's safe, then still they say, oh, not say nothing to nobody. Just keep it on that delivery day. You know, you just keep it there. So I mean, I say, but I see him, so somebody else, like a next company what they on the side could have it and then keep it to themselves and we catch it. You know, better we talk, say, make it people them know, say, oh, 5 somebody are COVID on the side. So you know, lock down inside or the turn on the yard or something. No, they want to keep it a secret. You see me, but now if you just be careful out there, because anyone to take you go maybe catchy, you know, and we don't know.
Half of us already had it and just didn't even know.
So may I say?
We were just talking about this today.
May I say?
We're just saying this at work today.
Because just like how they say me test positive and whatever. I mean, they have no symptom and no
you're asymptomatic.
But what's that? What that? Explain to me.
Asymptomatic is like when you don't have, like you're positive but you don't have no symptoms. That's how you were. Some people are symptomatic where they're positive and they show symptoms.
So why?
What do you mean why? You can't ask me why.
Of course.
The symptom just didn't want to hit you. Maybe your immune system is just that strong.
No.
You don't believe that?
No. That's why I don't believe in it. Like,
no.
like
what made
honestly,
me not believe in it is that we kiss everything. We were like close. No type of social distance.
Easy.
And it's just like, I came back negative.
I know.
And then you had Nyla. She came back negative.
Yeah.
That's what made me start wondering, like, what?
That's why for me, like, even when me I walk out, some people ask about it. And they might say, oh, Lennox, I heard you got sick. I heard you got the COVID. I'm like, that's what they said. To be honest, anybody asks me, I say, yeah, that's what they said.
And you were perfectly fine. That's what was weird.
Right?
You literally showed no symptoms.
I'm there on Nyla, Nisha, everybody, and everybody has come back negative. You see me? But the greatest thing still, what me say, me glad.
Yeah.
And me thank God say everybody come back negative, everybody good, and me win good. All of me down me I burn up my cushions and I drink my juice and everything, see me. You see me? But me know they say a whole heap of people lose friends and family, and you know, me I send condolence to all who lose friends and family, but like me feel like people if you start looking to enough of what go on, you know, and what me can I ask you one question? You don't mean to say it already, but like flu virus and them surviving at Angola or what?
I'm not sure. I don't want to answer something that I'm not 100% sure about.
No.
But flu is like, it happens any time of the year, but usually around like, it's like,
Ew, Lee, man.
This is true, just eating something. I feel like when it comes around like this time and December, usually everyone always say that's flu season time, like November.
Right.
But literally, okay, so literally any type of symptom you have, they're deeming it as like you need to go get tested. You cannot go, if you go call your doctor and say I'm short, say you have asthma, you'd be like, oh my god, I'm having shortness of breath. They're gonna send you to get tested. Right?
Majority of the time they go till they say you test positive.
If you have a headache, they're making you get tested. Me?
That's why, as I say, I don't trust it, but at the same time,
if you don't trust it, you just don't trust it.
Yeah.
My thing, why I keep saying is, whether you believe it or not, like there's something here, and
that's what I'm say. Something they want, but to me it's like we as a little puppet them what they move around, no know. We as a little man them or a little woman them what they run, don't know what go on. But the higher rank them and the higher top people them and them know everything what go on. You see me?
You know what's messed up is that we were supposed to be like over the holidays. We're supposed to be on lock. Like our gatherings are supposed to be small. I think we're on lockdown actually. But a lot of the politicians were like, there's one politician that was out with his family on vacation, traveling. Then another one like had all his family with him, no mask on. So it kind of just made people think like, why do you guys have us over here and we're not supposed to do this and that, but you're allowed to do with your 20, 50 family? That's the thing that messes up.
Only person, no, go on. Oh, no.
And you know what I don't like too? Like I keep saying this, whether we believe it or not, there was this post on Instagram and it's just like something about like hospitals are not overwhelmed. If you really want to sit there and think that hospitals are not overwhelmed, something is wrong with you. I'm sorry. Hospitals are overwhelmed. Like there's floors that are like, for example, rehab that are turning into COVID patient floors. Mama. I don't like that when people, yeah, mama dirty. When people say, oh, how are hospitals not overwhelmed, or why don't you guys take a picture and post it? First of all, you cannot just go in the hospital and take a picture. That's breaking privacy and confidentiality. That's a whole different topic though. Sorry, you see I just come in here and
no. But like what you have to know, like you know, but at the same time, like me not even want to say certain things, but
I know.
not just
let me be careful what I'm saying. Really, you don't?
No. I don't. I'm going to say one last and I'm going to come off of that topic. One last I'm going to say. I don't know if you go can answer me too, but I don't want to answer me too. Majority of who pass off, they didn't pass off.
Why did they die?
Yeah, where?
What mean where?
Yeah.
In the hospital?
Right.
How do you know that though? You don't know that.
Checking news.
You have, yeah, but that's the thing with the news. News is like half story.
Even anything at all, you check. Majority of who pass off in the hospital. You probably hear of like 2, 3 or out of 100%, you probably hear of 5% what just, and then they say yes. So I'm not sure so I go on.
No, you know what I know what's messed up? It's all those new strains and variants that are coming out.
All of that too.
And the one that's out right now, there's one that's out that's even more contagious.
I honestly just feel like,
you're lying.
Look how long that mark up.
Well, am I just seeing it? Nyla, and she has the nerve to show me?
I just feel like they want the people them to take vaccine.
No.
I just that. I just feel like they want the whole world to take vaccine. They what them do? Then they get couple million, 80 million doses now. They come in, and what them do? Instead of give everybody then 2 shots, they might make sure say everybody get one first.
Oh, you know, I heard someone say that today.
Right?
She took the first dose and then she's like, she was kind of worried because she's not sure she'll be able to take the second.
Yeah. They have to go wait till majority of people them get. Then, you know. But me not answer nothing more. I just that a my question. If you can answer me, as I say, that a my thing to it. Everybody have them own opinion and them own to everything what I go on so. You know. If you can say what I say, make me see what I go on and read what I go on, I would appreciate it. You see me I say. So big up on yourself. Okay, I can't say me chat enough now. Long time I don't come on the camera. Anytime I hold the camera, I just start getting. It's mine. At least I not beg you if you do it. Because that's a wire up. You see me I say. Watch him face. Watch him.
When I was dying to take pregnancy pictures.
It's nice.
I see your bed and I miss you. The potty. Mama? Why are you doing that? Mama? Who just used the potty? So Nyla was really close to using the toilet just now. She's been telling you, like, been able to tell you when she uses like number 1 or 2. She'll tell you so you can go change her. So you know what? It's only about time. Shout out to Shanique for sending me this.
Wait.
She sent it to me, I think it was for my baby shower. Yeah. So we're pulling it out right now. I don't know why I'm pulling it out so late. It was because, oh yeah, it was because Lyra had one. But I'm going to pull out Nyla's one and keep it down here. When our washroom's done, it'll go in there. But for now, I'm just going to keep it in the room so she can get used to it. Because she is a little scared of the toilet. The big toilet, but she just sat on it. Who poo-poo in the toilet? Yeah, that's Nyla's toilet. Yeah, so big up yourself, Shanique, from the Dad's family for sending me this. Yeah. Ziggy's going to set it up and then we're just going to put it in the corner in the room. Yeah, that's a toilet?
Yeah.
Look. Wow. Yeah, this should have came out from like long time ago. But like I said, it's only because my niece already had one, so that's why we didn't pull it out.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver?
Screwdriver.
What happened? Oh, you want to take it out? Dada's going to take it out for you, Mama. Dada. Wow, you flush it? I know. Anyways, let me go get dressed.
And I see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you. You for your love.